this video we are going to talk about how to earn $150 to $1,500 just reading in 1 hour. Imagine being able to earn money simply by reading on the internet. To begin with, today's methods are fully free and effective throughout the world. Second, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started on the process, including all of the necessary information and a step-by-step strategy, so you can begin earning right away after watching all of the steps. You'll also see exactly how much money you can make and how simple it is after watching all of the steps. So, first and foremost, you must visit Voices.com. They've been featured on the Microsoft Shopify Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, and the Los Angeles Times, to name a few. Once you come to this page, you'll notice a slew of well-known brands and businesses that are unquestionably legitimate. So they'll pay folks every day, and will get all of the money by PayPal, check, or direct transfer into your bank account. As a result, there are numerous alternatives. It also works in several countries. Basically, these websites will provide you with a variety of projects from various categories. You can also pick from a number of different projects. So, once you've decided on a project, they'll provide you the screenplay, templates, book, and all of the words you'll read word for word. And you'll have to record your voice, and they'll pay you based on the project's length. Because these platforms have unlimited work, you can do it for 20 minutes, an hour, or whatever long you like. There are a lot of websites where you can conduct leaps, but they aren't always reliable. So, because your other job is so limited, you might not be able to make any money today. On the other hand, there are so many categories and occupations to pick from on Voices.com. You can choose from a range of possibilities, even whether you only have 5 minutes a day, or only have 15 or 30 minutes. By reading, you can accomplish it and earn all of this money right away. The second most frequently asked question is, what if I don't have a microphone? Because all you need is a basic earphone. You can use your iPhone, you can use your Android phone. You can record using your voice by speaking on your phone, and you don't have to show your face or identity. All you need is a basic earphone. You can use your iPhone. And you don't have they'll only use your voice for ebooks, audiobooks, TV shows, and videos. They want people like you and me to read out loud all of these words and shreds. We are not required to write anything. All that remains is for us to read all of the books and scripts that they provide. To begin, hover your cursor over the registration button in the top right corner of the page. When you select this, you'll be presented with two options: find work as a talent or hire talent for your projects. In this situation, we'll select the second choice and submit our name, email address, phone number, and username in order to obtain job as a talent to read out those words. You can fill in the blanks with whatever you want. All you have to do now is accept the terms and conditions and click the Continue button. Alternatively, you can simply log in with your Google account. If you create a free account, your dashboard will display a range of career opportunities. After logging in, you can access e-learning explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games, for example. There are several categories from which to pick. So right now, we'll show you which categories have the most vocations, which are ideal for newcomers, and which are employed in countries like the United States, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines. This project attracts people from all over the world. The first category you should choose is audiobooks, and the second category, explainer videos, will pay you the most money. Video games. The third category will pay you the third highest amount of money. So let's focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games, because they're the top 3 categories with the most job opportunities and the most money for the least amount of time spent. So, for example, we'll choose audiobooks, which will take us to a new website with some examples of people making money online from all over the world at money@voices.com. They're guys and women from diverse countries. Right now, you can look at the language section and see that they accept people from all over the world who want to read online, including the United Kingdom, North America, and India, and they still want to recruit you. So they have work for you no matter where you are. They even have positions in English, Africa, and South Africa, which you can read about at Voices.com. By reading those scripts and being paid according to the number of hours you labor. If you want to make extra money, will assign you to a work that lasts at least 45 minutes and pays you $1,000. So I'll show you some of the job alternatives available to you once you log in. As you can see, there are numerous jobs in which you can engage. So please allow me to scroll down. They'll keep refreshing this website every day, so you may continue to sign in and see which ones you favor. Audiobooks are, as we all know, the most popular category on Voices.com. You will be provided all of the scripts and templates once you have finished reading those books. All you have to do now is read them and record them on your phone to receive $1,000. They'll show you who the client is, their age, whether they're male or female, and some of the tasks you'll be responsible for. They'll give you the script free of charge. All you have to do is read it out loud, and you'll be compensated. This is what their apps will look like if you download them from the Google Play Store or the App Store for your iPhone. They'll provide you a script to use when recording your phone, and you can record your voice or read the script aloud if you wish. That's how it manages to simplify everything. Voices.com is a good place to start and is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. This is how the logo should look. It's also available for free, so you can get started right now. They'll show you the client agreements as well as a few of the assignments from which to choose. As you can see, even if you are from a distant region of the world, there are several job opportunities available to you. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below.